Alpine S2-A55V review. One compact amp, 5 channels, and real high-res audio results.
Your car audio sounds flat, thin, and honestly a little embarrassing at volume, and you know it deserves better. I spent 3 weekends swapping head units, adjusting EQ settings, and blaming my speakers before realizing the real problem was sitting quietly in the signal chain all along. Sound familiar? If your system has never quite lived up to what you imagined, drop a comment below and tell me where yours started falling short. The frustration is that heavy pressure in your chest when a song you love sounds muffled and lifeless instead of alive and dimensional. I tried boosting bass on the head unit, adding tweeters, even switching cables, and nothing really resolved it. Common fixes just move the problem around without solving the source. There is a calmer, cleaner way to approach this, and it does not require rewiring your entire vehicle from scratch. Don't just pick any car amplifier. Make sure it has genuine high-res audio certification and a true 5-channel design, so you never suffer the nightmare of separate amps eating your trunk space and your sanity again. Then, everything clicked when I found the Alpine S2-A55V. Here is what surprised me. One compact chassis handles all 4 speakers plus your subwoofer simultaneously, and the Class D efficiency means it runs cool even tucked under a seat. The high-res certification extends frequency response all the way to 40 kilohertz, which you actually hear as more air and detail in every track you play. The side panel gain and crossover controls let you dial in the system without guessing, and 3 selectable remote turn-on modes make integration with factory or aftermarket head units genuinely straightforward. A recording engineer I know was finishing a custom build the night before a car show, scrambling to get his components sounding balanced. He used the variable HPF and the built-in bass boost at 50 Hz, made 2 small adjustments, and walked away satisfied before midnight. The 2-sided terminal layout with a removable end cap is a detail installers love because tight spaces stop being a problem. Let me be honest, the power ceiling is modest for extreme high SPL builds, but for a clean, musical, real-world system, it is genuinely impressive. After a few weeks of daily driving, the Alpine S2-A55V stops feeling like an upgrade and starts feeling like the system finally working the way it always should have. A professional installer described it as one of the most practical 5-channel amps he puts into daily driver builds, praising the high-level inputs and signal sensing turn-on as features that eliminate the most common frustrations. A car audio influencer who built a budget sound quality setup with this amp said the front channel sounded clear and the sub-channel hit tight and controlled, which is exactly what you want from a single chassis solution. An industry analyst noted that the S2-A55V holds a strong position in the compact 5-channel segment because it delivers real output at 2 ohms without compromising reliability. One verified owner who runs it in a truck with 4 coaxials and a small sub behind the seat said the crossover tuning transformed his system from muddy to genuinely balanced. Now, the honest objection worth naming. The S2-A55V is not the cheapest option on the shelf, and that gives some buyers pause. The real math, though, is that one quality amp replaces 2 separate purchases, 1 install, and 1 set of wiring headaches. Worth noting, the power may feel modest if you are chasing competition SPL, but for musical clarity and daily listening, it absolutely delivers. What part of your current system frustrates you the most?
The Alpine S2-A55V gives you a genuinely cleaner, more complete car audio experience from a single compact amplifier that actually does what it promises. Thousands of installers and everyday enthusiasts are already relying on it for full system builds that sound musical rather than just loud. Simple and real. Results may vary depending on your speakers and source. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment whenever you are ready to take the next step. Click it and experience the difference the Alpine S2-A55V makes today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.